Hey guys, welcome to Tech Talks by Gaurav Sharma. Today we're going to talk a little bit about Cisco SASE, how it came about, and what is latest and greatest with Cisco SASE. So previously, let's talk about how SASE came about. What's the need of SASE in the first place, right? So think of the old typical complex networks where we used expensive MPLS circuits to be able to bring our data from branch offices to the data center, because that's where all our applications and servers were hosted. With the journey to move to the cloud, everything is in the cloud now, right? Or people are going in a hybrid model where some of their applications are in the cloud and some of them are in their data center. So there's really no need for the users or the branches to go to the data center to access something that's hosted in the cloud. So they could directly go to the cloud itself, right? So to make their WAN infrastructure intelligent, SD-WAN came about, where it separated the data plane from the control plane. So the control plane can actually control the data and optimize the data and make sure that how the traffic is flowing is more efficient, using the features like policy-based routing to make sure there's overall good efficiency in the overall interaction of how the data is flowing, and you don't have to spend a lot of money on those expensive circuits anymore, right? So you got that part covered. So now you have an intelligent way of making the data connect from one place to another. It's smart, it's efficient. What is the one thing that's missing? It's security, right? So until before last week, to extend the Cisco umbrella, it's Cisco's cloud native technologies features to the SD-WAN, we had to connect Cisco Meraki devices to Umbrella Cloud using an IPsec tunnel, so that the SD-WAN could get extended to Umbrella and get all the capabilities like deep packet inspection, DNS level security, and all, right? So it's great. So we had to, but there was one thing that was missing, where we had to manually do all that, right? To manually connect those Meraki MX devices to Umbrella to be able to extend the SD-WAN into Umbrella Cloud. Now, recently, last week, a new feature was launched, which is called SDWAN Connector or Umbrella Connector, which makes it all easy to deploy, and this conversion is even more easy now. So let's talk about what it is. So Cisco Meraki has a feature called Auto VPN, where every time, so how we're talking about how the communication is happening using this IPsec tunnels between the hub and spoke, right? So this Auto VPN tunnel, Auto VPN feature within Meraki, what it does is anytime a new spoke comes in or new hub comes in, it automatically connects the rest of the spokes or hubs, whatever needs to be connected, so that there's no manual intervention there. So with the Cisco SD-WAN connector or Umbrella connector that was launched, it has extended this Auto VPN functionality into the Umbrella Cloud as well, meaning every time a new hub or spoke comes into the SD-WAN network, it automatically gets connected to the Umbrella Cloud and is able to achieve the security that Cisco Umbrella has to offer. So no more connecting, manually connecting the SD-WAN Meraki MX devices to Umbrella. Every time the new hub or spoke comes in, it automatically connects to Umbrella, which makes it a lot more easier, right? From an administrator point, every time you connect something, you bring in a new spoke or hub, you don't have to worry about, hey, now I have to create a tunnel to umbrella to get that. That's all converged, that's all secure. So it is the ultimate way to achieve security and efficient connectivity using SASE. To learn more about it, reach out to your accounts team and they'll hook you up. Thank you.